Hey Gary, sorry you got pulled to a neuro
What?
unit.
No, I can't work there.
Oh, I'm sorry
No.
about that.
I can't work on that floor. Call staffing. Call staffing. I
But
can't
it's your
work
time
there.
to get pulled.
No. I'm just gonna go home. Okay, I'm just gonna go home. I can't work there. Just tell them I'm not feeling well. Okay, I'm just
Oh,
gonna
I'm
go home.
sorry about that.
I don't wanna get pulled in there. Okay, bye bye. Morning.
Morning Gary, sorry, pulled ka daw sa ICU.
Pulled? Saan?
Oo, pulled ka daw sa ICU.
I see you. Ayoko dun. Pwede bang tumawag sa supervisor? Ayoko dun ma-pull. Na-pull ako dun kahapon.
Okay, ikaw bahala. Tawagan ko supervisor.
Sir?
Hello Gary. Oh, pulled ka sa ICU. Nagrereklamo ka?
Ayoko dun ma-pull, sir. Na-pull na ako kahapon.
Wala kang magagawa. Kulang ng staff doon sa
Uwi na lang
ICU.
ako, sir. Uwi na lang ako. Ayoko dun ma-pull. Busy dun. Toxic dun.
Kung nga ayaw mo, file lang kita ng insubordination. Sige ka. Wala ka na trabaho. Ay, sige na, punta ka na doon. Hinahanap ka na kasi magsa-start ng endorsement. Sige na, late ka na.
Sige, sir. Pull na naman. Palagi na lang pull. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.